instead of having one winner, we're actually going to have 10 winners for my contest, and we're going to have 10 different prizes to be won. Here is the first prize for the first winner. So as usual, the first winner is going to win a forest course plus $50, which is total $149. The second winner is only going to win all courses that I provide, and the total cost for all courses that I provide is $143. The third winner is going to win the Forex course alone, which is going at $99. The fourth winner is actually going to win a Mi phone, which is a 16 GB storage with 2 GB RAM, valued at $50. Now, coming to the fifth winner, the fifth winner is actually going to win a one-on-one consultation with me on anything. So this can either be in person or online, and you get to ask anything and I get to guide you anything. And the sixth winner is actually going to win a crypto course, and which is valued at $30, followed by the seventh winner is going to win a free PayPal account. I'm going to create a PayPal account. Okay, I usually charge $10 of about 200 kwacha to create a PayPal account that can both send and receive. And the eighth winner is actually going to win a MasterCard, which is actually a virtual MasterCard, which is going to have $10. So it's going to be a once-off, like once you used to pay for something, then to be deactivated. It's a once-off MasterCard. Finally, the ninth winner is going to win, a $10 equivalent to kwacha via mobile money. And lastly, the 10th winner is going to win airtime for 100 kwacha or $7. So these are the prizes available. So to participate, follow the link in the description and see you there in 9 days. Bye bye.